Hi guys, this is LD. Welcome back to my channel. I've been so busy with work. Let's start off with some hairstyling videos and get on with everything. Alright guys, so as you guys can read the title, I am going to curl my hair. My hair is very frizzy, very texturized. I am a mixed child, so my hair is really curly, but I managed to keep it not too crazy today, but it is a little puffy as you can see. I shampooed last night, so there's some natural curls coming in. Yep, the glow girl. Hold on. Let it focus. Yeah, that glow. Yes. Oops. Alright, so I am going to be curling my hair. I'm going to show you guys a few products that what I usually style my hair daily, and also my favorite. So we have the 44 Iron Guard, which is the Chi Thermal Protection Spray. I love this. Let's just say that I cannot go without this bottle. It protects your hair from heat, damage, and more damage. Really, I mean, my hair's been over processed, so chemically done multiple times. So hey, if you guys have gotten your hair done, you know what it is, girl. Alright, so I can live without that. And then with Max Shine for my hair, after I curl, I would use this a little bit, which is the Shine Infusion by Chi as well. I love this bottle. It's almost, well, I have a second bottle that I have with me downstairs in my bathroom. But I usually carry like a half bottle around with me when I'm traveling. Also with the Chi Thermal Spray, I also have a second bottle that I went through. Yeah, so I can't live without these products. Like, these are super amazing together. And with hairspray, after I'm done with everything and I just need to set my hair in place, I love hairspray that's not overly powerful, because first, my hair is very textured already, so I don't really like strong hairspray unless I'm doing something like hairstyling, whereas for hair shows or modeling or photo shoots, just really depends on the occasions. But especially with weddings and things like that, I would use like a heavier hairspray where to set everything in. But for me, working and just having some type of movement to my hair, because my hair is already very texturized and very chemically processed already, I am trying to lay off on that. So this is one of like the best hairspray I love to use on myself that works very well. It's the Miss Universe style Illuminate by Chi. I love Chi. I don't know why, but it works well on my hair. I'm almost all gone with this bottle, so I'm gonna need a new one. Chi, you gonna hook your girl up or what? I'm just kidding, but yes, I love this. I got this at the hair show in Tennessee last year, Nashville hair show. Loved it ever since, and yeah, I'm surprised it's not, I mean, I have like a little bit left, so I'm gonna have to run to the supply store soon. And then my second favorite is Amika. I love the Amika products. They smell awesome, but this is the touchable hairspray. So basically you can still work around your hair after your hair been set. But one thing about this hairspray is that after using it multiple times in a day, the smell get overwhelming. So I only do this once in a while. So Amika touchable hairspray. Alright guys, so this is my hair, kind of a natural stage right now. It's looking crazy. There's some curls. Yeah, girl. I do not wake up every single day looking untouchable. A lot of my clients think I do, like I have magic hair and it looks magical every single day. No, honey. Let me tell you something. Okay? So this is my flat iron. I'm setting it at 340 right now. If you guys can see that. Alright, and excuse everything else in the background, okay? I do a lot of painting and everything else, so excuse it. But yes, this is my chi iron that I love to use on my hair. So you guys are gonna have probably the first question is, how do you use curls, or how do you curl your hair with a flat iron? Well, I left my curler at someone else's house and I had to learn how to use a flat iron curler for a week or two, so here I am managing how to kind of master it now, but this is what I use. So with my hair being textured and everything that you 500 times now repeatedly, I personally love the flat iron curls because it's give me some movement. It soft. I love the soft curls on my hair. It just really depends on the occasion, where I'm going. If I'm going to a wedding or attending a wedding, I would have tighter curls so then it'll last longer throughout the day. But if you just going out or hanging out with some friends, having a cocktail or smoking hookah or sitting and chit chat somewhere, or just hanging around, the flat iron curls is the way to go. If you guys can hear my AC, that's just blowing strong air in the background, so please excuse that. Hey guys, I got the music on and I'm about to fast forward kind of in a way to get this started. Alright guys, I just divided this in little sections. I got my little ponytail right here. I pre-straightened it a little bit. Keep it from taking so much time. You're going to grab your little shine fusion you like and just kind of just a little dab of spray. And also you want a thermal protection. Smells good. Let's get started. So you can use any type of comb really to even out your hair, and I'll take very small sections. So just kind of flip it and slide on there. Boom. Curls. And I want to kind of be careful because it's real hot. I have a mirror set right here, so if I'm looking over, I'm not being rude, guys. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. I would love to answer them and talk to you guys, so it would be great. Like my fronts, I'm usually very specific about the curls. I want to Make sure you get into a good angle too. So you get the curl. Boom. This side is a little more harder, I feel like, for people. I don't know. See, everybody got their preference, but when I'm twisting it this way, it's kind of like twisting my angles weird. So then I just kind of like look into the mirror. And if it doesn't work the first time, you just kind of try it again. You get it eventually. Good. So you just kind of give it some curls in there. Twist, twist. Good. Curls. Now. Sometimes I try to avoid the bangs, so then I can just work on those later, because I like them very specific how they lay. So I just kind of leave these out. I don't know how you guys lay your hair, but I like to part them different partings. I like to switch it up. I don't like to do one parting specifically because I like my hair to grow evenly. So everybody got that parting that makes them look real good. But for me, I'm just trying something new every day. Don't be afraid. Trying is bettering yourself. So that's what I always think of it. Like when I was in school, they said that, you know, you have a parting that balance you out. Well, I part everywhere, so it doesn't matter with me really. Do center parting today. Okay, so this is all my big bangs right here. So we're just gonna leave it. So with these on top, I try to like see where I want the curls. I try to do it as slightly as I can because I don't want them to be super poofy. Like if I like bottom that day, I probably would, but like this is just enough for me. Like boom. You know? Sometimes with these pieces, I try to like go under curls Then it didn't poof up so much because my hand doesn't twist that way sometimes, if that makes sense, guys. And so I just twist over like how I usually do it. It's just harder to hold it. Girl. Sometimes I feel like this side doesn't have as much curls as I want it to, but that's why I have lower heat, so then I can work on it, you know? So with the bangs. So this is my straight bangs. So I usually just grab my bangs. And I just brush it under my curls. See? Just very well blended with my face. So same thing for this one. And voila. You guys can do as much spray as needed. Make sure the crown is brushed out. You don't want to look crazy. And just softly finger grab them. I would not use them with my Magic Universe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below. Tell me what's your favorite products. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys around. OD out.